So we've seen that with our for loops, we can have our variable for p in range, and then we can give it a number, 22, and then it's going to print 0 to 21, or we can also get it to print 22 times. Hello. So if I do this, print, it prints out hello 22 times. I can try and print p. Oh, if I want to have the number here, I have to do convert the p into a letter, into a string, and add in the hello. So, oops, if I give it a space there, and we can see now I've got my numbered hello list. 22 is a bit big, isn't it? Let's make that 7. Okay, so I've got my list of 0 to 7. If I wanted to make it start at 1, I could say +1. And there we go, there's my list of 1 to 7. I could make an input. How many equals input? We did this last lesson, didn't we? Input how many, question mark. We need to turn this into a number. So over here we've cast the number into a letter, and over here we've got to do the opposite way around. We've got to turn the letter into an integer. Int stands for integer. Turn whatever they type in into an integer, and then for p in range, instead of 7, we're going to say how many. So if I run this, and it's going to say how many, I'm going to say 4. 1 you want, 2 you want, 3 you want, 4 you want. Okay.